Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. There is an image in front of us. A model is sitting on stairs. We will use Photoshop to make these stairs beautiful. That tool is Vanishing Point. Vanishing Point simplifies perspective correct editing in images. After using that tool, these stairs look like that. Let's get started. Create blank layer above background layer. Then go to Filter and click on Vanishing Point. Create Plane tool is selected by default. C is shortcut key for Plane tool. Define the four corner nodes of a plane. If your plane is red or yellow, it is invalid. Use your Edit Plane tool to readjust your corners until the grid is blue. A blue grid indicates a valid plane. Drag this grid to right side out from stairs. Same from left side, drag it and take grid out from stairs. Now we need to move grid 90 degrees below. Press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane downwards. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane downwards. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane downwards. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane downwards. Make active top grid by clicking on it. Press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane upwards. Angle will show this plane is moving at 90 degrees. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane upwards. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane upwards. Again press C to select Plane tool. Press Alt and hold, then drag this plane upwards. Drag this grid out from stairs. Last time press C to select Plane tool. And press Alt and hold, then drag this plane upwards. At this point press OK. We need a pattern to apply on stairs. I am going to open a pattern. Rotate this pattern at 90 degrees clockwise. Click on this icon to unlock layer. Press Ctrl+A to select pattern. Then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Come back to main document. Go to Filter and open Vanishing Point. All planes are there for Vanishing Point. Press Ctrl+V to paste pattern we copied. Drag pattern on planes. If pattern is small, Then press Ctrl+T to open transform controls. Click on one corner and drag pattern to make it large. Make it larger than stairs, so it will cover the stairs. Press Alt and make duplicate copy of pattern. Drag it down on below stairs. Make sure there is no gap between pattern. There is no problem if it overlap. Again press Alt and make duplicate copy. And drag it down on stairs. Finally click OK. Here pattern applied on stairs. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Double click on layer to open layer style window. Choose highlight slider for underlying layer in blend if. Press Alt and click on slider to apart it. Move apart slider to left. It will take bright areas away from pattern. Then click OK. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Change blend mode from multiply to screen. Double click on layer to open layer style window. Reset bright slider. Press Alt and click on dark slider to apart it. Move apart slider all the way to right. Then press OK. Press Ctrl+L to open levels adjustment. Preset is set to default. Select midtones darker in preset. Then press OK. Active below layer of pattern. Press Ctrl+L to open levels adjustment. Select midtones darker in preset. Then press OK. Select both layers and press Ctrl+G to make group. Active background layer. Go to select and click on subject. Photoshop AI will select subject which is a model. After selection active group layer. Press Alt and hold then create mask. You can adjust opacity according to your image. I am going to reduce opacity to 80%. Stairs are decorated now. This is way to use Vanishing Point and make your images more beautiful. I hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching.